This is cabin 6227. This is an inside, upper, lower. Now, as you see when you come in, there's your wall because this cabin is very long this way. You have your cabinets here, your storage, your closets. That one's all hanging with a cubby at the bottom and top. This one here also cubby at the top and bottom, which is also all hanging. And then this should be shelves, which you can convert to hanging if you want. There is a safe behind here. TV, which is a little bit on the small side, 4 drawers. The top one has your hair dryer in it. Okay, you have 1 US power, 1 European power, lighted mirror, and then you have your single bed on the bottom, and then the second bed will come out from here, so it kind of ends up like bunk beds. Okay, so there's that. The bathroom is at this end, so let's take a look at that. You do have a corner shower with a curtain, no glass doors, toilet in a great place for the taller fluffy, single basin sink, 3 shelves per side, so 6 total. Makeup mirror, there's power up here as well. Nice mirror. All right, and there's some storage down below as well. So all in all, not too bad if you want to do a solo or you're sailing with friends. All right, ciao.